Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Automata on your mobile. First, install the Quetta browser from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open it and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for Automata and select this extension. Then tap Add to Chrome. After it's added, close all the tabs, then tap on three dots in your browser. Now go to the extension and open Automata. Then set the language to English and tap on Automata. So then, it will ask you to open Meta AI. The first time, you will need to log in or sign up. Once that's done, then open the Automata extension again. After that, paste your prompt and tap Start. So then it will take a few seconds to begin generating. And that's how you can use Automata on your mobile. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.